Hi everyone, welcome back to another Canva tutorial. Today we're going to be taking a look at how we can get creative with text and photo layering. So here we've got a blank canvas and we're going to head up to elements and we're just looking for some kind of design. So I've selected these cute bunnies because this is going to give us the perfect example. So we're just going to enlarge that so it covers all of our canvas. First thing we need to do is click on the image and duplicate it. And on the duplicated layer, we need to head up to background remover and remove the background. This is a Canva Pro feature, so if you are currently not subscribed to Canva Pro, then click on the link in the description and that will give you a 30-day free trial to try out this feature and all the other features inside of Canva Pro. So now we can see we have got our original design and we've got our design with the background removed. So we're just going to set that one down there for a moment. Now we have our original design, we need to add some text. So I'm just going to go up to the text box, add a heading, and I'm just going to type in Easter sale. Then I just want to position that up in the top corner. I'm going to change the colour of the text to be white so we can see it. Once I'm happy with the text, I'm going to then duplicate it and I'm going to line the next one up next to it so we can just have a bit of a play about with the positioning. Then once I'm happy with that, I'm going to duplicate it again and just add another one at the end. Then I'm going to select all three text boxes and I'm going to select group, and then now I'm going to duplicate that and then I'm just going to bring that down, but I'm just going to move it along just so it looks a little bit different to the top one. Then when I'm happy with that, I'm going to select both layers and then going to select group again. Then we need to remember to duplicate it and then we can bring that down and line that up down there and then duplicate that again, line it up at the bottom, and we can duplicate it one more time and then we can just have a quick play about with the placements so that all of our design is covered. It's quite easy to read the Easter sale, but the bunnies in the background have got a bit lost. So this is where now our other bunnies come into play. So we're going to click on a part of the design and go to position, and we are looking for the layers panel, and we're now looking for the layer that has our bunnies with the background removed, which is that one. So we can now select that. So there's two ways you can do this. You can select the image and then that will allow you to bring the bunnies back in, or you can simply move the box all the way up to the top so it is over the top of all the text, and then we can line up the position so it snaps to be exactly where the other bunnies were. So this makes sure that our bunnies are now at the front, and by doing that, that has now given us the perfect look that makes it look like all our text is running behind our two wooden bunnies that are now sat at the front. And that's a great way that you can enhance your designs by using text and photo layering. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you ever so much for watching. See you again soon.